So, hello. Today, I would like to talk to you guys about this Project IDX by Google, which is the Web Based IDE. As you do not have to install any IDEs on your own laptop or own hardware devices, as you can launch it using the web app, as you have the web. So, you can launch this IDX. So, you have to, this is a preview model and you can do like everything which you can do on this usual VS Code, as you can see. So if I go for a new window, then yeah, as you can see, you can do everything. I can like make start and do anything as same as this. And yes, so yeah, so let's start and create some of these projects. So we'll go for Next.js. And yeah, it is that there you can like use a source directory and use app router tailwind and then enter it next js to do. Okay, so this will be our next app and everything will be done. Use a source directory as it is the same as the React one. So it is setting up our workspace. Then we'll build our environment, basically install the packages, whatever packages are needed, and then it will finalize and launch the whole IDE. Let me like open this in new. Okay, no IDE got tab not. This IDE is not going on. So it is launching a new Next.js. We can go for something. We can go for Flutter. No, it's not go for Flutter. Instead, we can go for let's try to import a repo and let's call it uh, it is one of my repos. So uh, let's go for what repo can we let me see. We can go for Flatbed. Yeah, Flatbed would be the one. Go for Flatbed. Okay, cool. This is not a Flutter app. So yeah. So it is finalizing, and this one is yeah. As you can see, this is an HTML project that has auto detected it. As you can see, it is Jupyter Notebook one, as you have to run the backend and front end usually to run the project. And yeah, as you can see, everything is installed here, and the whole material. Like, oh my god, I love this theme. As you can see here, let's try to run dev it. And it is installing every packages, as you can see here. Same as the VS Code does it, and I'm loving this IDE, as you can see here. So new terminal, let's go for new terminal. So npm run dev, npm run dev. So yeah, it has provided a local host, but it will not run on localhost, right? It will run on the Google's one of the cloud environments, as you can see, SSH google.com dev shell gateway, and here is the API for that. And yeah, as you can see, it is running by far so much great, but there is an issue the auto updating. As you can see, if I go for source and we can go for page.tsx, and if I do some changes, then I have to. So let's remove this div and let's go for hello world, or you can control Z it. Instead, we can go for get started by editing my app. As you can see, as soon as it is stored, but there are no, okay, so there are changes. My app, okay, so there are changes. A few hours ago, it wasn't reloading on its own, but now it's reloading on its own. So I think that's an amazing thing. And yeah, as you can see here, my GitHub repo is also getting cloned and the environment is getting built. So, sorry. Let me run it side by side and then we'll see. Let's get this web out and let's go for some things which are which could be finding depth information about Next.js features and API. Let's try to remove this and let's go for uh, so it is still okay. It's loading. Okay, it says it is loading. That is amazing. Yeah. Okay. So we can write something. गहराई में जानने के लिए डॉक्स पे क्लिक करें. And yes, it is getting changed here. So yeah, so that's the thing about this Project IDX, and you can see here you can clone the repo also. But that's the most amazing thing about this. Okay, so that's the whole idea. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. So as you can see, the so the repo is also cloned here. So there's backend and front end both. So yeah, I mean that's the amazing thing. Let's try to run the backend and front end. Okay, npm I and let's go for um, cd. Server for Python server.py. It is still slow, but yeah. What else can we expect from something that is free? Let's see. So the all packages are getting installed, and you can see here this thing is still built. Okay, so in Control C stop the server, and yeah, I think that's the most amazing thing about this project IDX. So let's go for idx.google.com and let's see is the yeah. See, I don't think they let's Google. So you can like see your workspaces here, and you can also share your projects, and these are all templates for web app, and you can like search templates and use the backend technologies which you want to do. You can Python Flask and Node Express and Laravel and Rust and Go. For mobile, there's the Flutter, and for AI and ML, Gemini and Palm API, and for MISC, it is like you can say they are saying basically mix ones, as you can like go for your customize your workspace as you want, or whatever app you want to install there. Mhm. Okay, so we have to install the modules. Pip install. Let's install all the modules and then run it. Try to run it. Let's install class. Should we let it allowed? And we install this one also. Control Shift 3. Then we can install a pickle also. Shift 3. What else have we used? We have used nothing. So, yep, I think that's about it. Let's try to install it. Python 311. Okay, let's go for it. Okay. So it is installing all the packages. Let's try to run the npm start over here and let's try to see. We have to change the URLs, I guess, because the backend is running over here. This command has been disabled as it tries to modify the immutable mixed file system. Okay, program button label in the following specific one to run control C to cancel. So let's see. Uh, Python, I will look at the online documentation. So I think there has to be Python 311, Python 3. Okay, Python 3 also. Server.py, but we have to install the libraries for uh, mm, cool. We'll work with it, and yeah, the next.js app is also working, and you can go for any type of templates you can want, a web app, backend, mobile, and ML, and you can also create a blank workspace for your Web3 projects, or you can go for Next.js for a Web3 projects. And this is the best thing. Like I like the UI and UX of it. The Replit also has the same thing. As you can see here, if we go for Replit, I think Replit is not here. So move the control and then make a Replit, not it. And let's see. As you can see, there is so you can go for create REPL and you can search the templates, whatever you want. Pygame, Swift, Enter, Basic, Kaboom, Scala, React, TypeScript, everything. They have it there. As you can see, OpenAI GPT-4, they have the this template also. So I think Replit has most amount of templates that you want to do. The Superbase JS database also they have. Yeah, but that's the whole idea of this project IDX in comparison with Replit as project IDX uses the layout of whole VS Code, which all with most of the programmers have the like you can say habit of. So I think that's the main USP of this project IDX, and Replit is on the go monster. It's a monster or something for React. Okay. If I search React or something, it's for React, JavaScript, and everything takes take two and do it. So it will create the ripple and look how fast it is. It is not same as this project idea as it takes too much time. But so I think they work with cache or something, and let's if we run it, they also provide us yeah. Okay, so they use white as a white is a let's say okay, this is the thing. So I think that's a comparison with another web-based IDEs such as Replit and other ones also. So yeah, I think that's the whole gist of this one. As I've got the time to try out Google Project IDX, a new web-based learning experience. So I think they will make it much more faster than Replit, as you can say here. But yeah, I think the environment is very cool. I like the theme, I like the speed. I like how they are, deploying everything on Google Cloud. So that is why I would like to use the Project IDX more than this passive VS Code. But yeah, I still prefer VS Code as I have too much of CPU power. But who does not have any this command of 16 cores and 24 threads like mine, Predator? So they can switch to IDX. So I think that would be most amazing thing. As you just have to have a laptop, and it doesn't matter whatever cores, whatever the CPU power you have. It doesn't matter. You can run everything on this with this API, and everything will be run on Google Cloud. And I think you should not underestimate Google Cloud as it is one of the fastest servers whole around the world. So yeah, that's the whole idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.